Allweek is the top heating company in Allendale, New Jersey. Family-owned, licensed and insured with over 30 years of experience in heating services for residential and commercial. We service all brands, models of heaters, boilers and furnaces. Get $300 off any boiler replacement and $250 off any furnace replacement. We are available 24/7 for any heating emergency, and we offered free estimates. Just call 888-333-422, or visit our site at www.allweekplumbing.com.